Hi kids, today we're going to talk about week 3 of chemistry. Now, in today's lesson, you see what is this? It looks like basically a teaspoon of salt being added to water. Now, when we look at salt or sugar just dissolving in water, we don't really think much about it. But in reality, there's actually quite a complex reaction that happens. So, the salt that we are adding is known as the solute, and the water that we add it into is called the solvent. And the final product that is formed is a solution. So, for example, in this case, the solute is normal table salt, and the solvent is water, and the solution is salt water or salt solution. Now, it doesn't always have to be normal table salt, also known as sodium chloride. It can be any other kind of salt. So that's what we're going to learn today. So, what happens when a solute actually dissolves into the solvent? The blue color here shows the solvent's particles. The solute particles are a solid, therefore they are in a fixed position at the beginning. When you add the solute into the solvent, it starts to spread out. This is because the solvent particles will collide with the solute particles, causing the solute particles to break apart from the main piece. Because the solute particles are very small, they move and eventually spread evenly between all the solvent particles. So the solute and solvent particles have not combined together. It is still a salt particle and a water particle. But because they are so small and they look like they are evenly distributed, all we see is a clear glass of water. But in fact, if we have 100 grams of water and we add 10 grams of salt and we stir it together, in the end, although we cannot see the salt, it is now 110 grams because the salt, although completely dissolved and not visible to us, is actually within the solution. And therefore, this salt water is now 110 grams. So please remember the keywords for today's video: solute, solvent, and solution. We will discuss more about this in our class. See you!